In this video, you'll learn how to reset your OKX wallet. This process will guide you through accessing your wallet settings and performing a reset to ensure your wallet is properly configured. Start by opening the Google Chrome browser on your device. Once Chrome is open, navigate to the OKX website by entering the ILL into the address bar and pressing enter. This will direct you to the OKX platform. After the OKX page loads, ensure that you are using the Web3 wallet and not the exchange option. Look for a toggle or menu that allows you to select the Web3 wallet. This distinction is important as it affects the features and settings available to you. Next, locate your wallet name displayed at the top of the screen. This is usually found in the header of the web page. Click on your wallet name to reveal a drop-down menu or a new screen with additional options. Once you've accessed the wallet options, look for an option labeled Manage Wallets. Click on this to proceed to the management section of your wallet. At this point, you will be able to see the details of your wallet configurations. If you see an option labeled Remove Wallet, tap on it. This step initiates the reset process. After tapping, a confirmation prompt will appear asking if you are sure you want to remove the wallet. Confirm your choice to complete the reset to your wallet settings. It is essential to understand that resetting your wallet may affect your access to stored assets and settings. Always ensure you have backed up any necessary information before proceeding with this action. Once the confirmation is complete, your wallet will be reset and you can set it up again as needed.